times. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Jamaican style baked chicken wicked. I'm going to show you from start, step by step, so don't you miss a beat. So if you want to rewind, you can rewind. Yeah, so let's check this out. Yeah, I got one older chicken here. Yeah, one older chicken. Okay, got one older chicken. I got my thyme, 2 stalk of thyme, half a chili pepper, half a chili powder, yeah, 4 chicken season, that's a powder, 4 teaspoon, and 4 teaspoon of all-purpose powder, yeah, 3 cloves, 3 pegs of garlic, and we got some sweet pepper, yeah, half a sweet pepper. It all depends on the size of the chicken, yeah, and we got one onion, and one spring onion. Needs two stalk of spring onion, yeah. In Jamaica we say scallion, but in England we say onion, spring onion, yeah. And we got some carrots, 1 stalk of carrot, yeah. And we got tomato, 1 tomato cut up in bits, yeah. And we got some sweet potato. Oh, this is very nice, put down on the side, yeah. And we got the potato to put on the side, and we got some butter, yeah. So all of these gonna be combined to this piece of chicken here, sexy piece of chicken, yeah. Make sure you wash your chicken at all time to prevent bacteria and all them stuff, because that's what I did, I washed my chicken, yeah. So what I do now, I put some sweet pepper inside, stuff it with some sweet pepper, yeah, put some sweet pepper inside. When all of this go inside, it's just gonna cook down quick, and when you check the stuffing, you're gonna know that, yeah, it's ready, yeah. Put everything in there. That's the onion. You're gonna use all of it. It all depends on the size. And garlic. Gotta have the garlic in there. Push it in. This is good for like Christmas, like, you know what I mean. You can use it on Christmas time. This is a tomato. If all of it can't hold in there, then you gotta put some on the side and put some butter in there, so that when you put the butter in there, it just melt and make oil, yeah, inside, and cook what's inside, yeah. Some more tomatoes there, ram it up, yeah. So when this cook and you're ready, when it cook, you're gonna like just dig out the stuffing, and then all the stuffing gonna be cooked. So all-purpose season, yeah, pour it on there. You know, one time somebody do me some baked chicken. Some people, they just put salt on it, just salt. Nah, I season it up, man. Season it up, right up. This is the all-purpose season going on, yeah, all over. Dressing it up, fixing it up. If you want, put some of the powder seasoning inside the chicken, but make sure it get all over, yeah. Make sure it get all over. And here is the chicken season. Put some more on there. Yeah, make sure it get all over. It's a step-by-step routine, you know what I mean. My mom teach me how to cook this, like, you know. My dad teach me too. Yeah, my dad always says, son, get in the kitchen here and learn to cook. So that's when you get big. No woman can cook filth for you and you say, this tastes good. You know? Because I know how to cook. I know what to cook. I know what I like. Here's the thyme. Push the thyme in there. Some people strand it off, but I just push all of it in there. Chili pepper. Not gonna use all of it, just a little bit because it's well hot. Chili powder. Yeah. One can put some in there. Stuff it in there. Yeah. Some more all over it. It's spicy, but not that spicy. Be just right. If you follow my instruction, it be just right. Yeah, it won't be salty because there ain't no salt added because everything is there in the season. And then I get cling foil. Then I put the chicken in the cling foil. Yeah. Then I'm gonna wrap it up because I need to keep all the texture, all the moist, all the heat inside so that it cook right through properly. Yeah, right, proper tight. Yeah. Wrap it up like that. So like a little ball. Put it back in the dish. And then I'm gonna put the potato on the side. Because when this start cooking, there will be a lot of oil floating around in there. So I'll put the butter in both sides. Yeah. Put sweet potato in. Yeah. You know, like some English people when they're doing the Sunday roast, they do it like this. They put the butter on the side and stuff. Put my carrot in. So this is like side bit, like, you know, to go when everything cooked down. Yeah. So now get ready for the oven time. So I set my oven marker 200. Yeah. Wow, nice and ready. And then I put it in here in the oven, and I let the oven do its thing. So just don't go away. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a bit.